Good morning, children. Sairam. You all will be very happy as in today's class we will not study. Today I am here with a very interesting maths project. Children, I will explain you maths project work and you all have to complete this project in the vacation. So let's start with our maths project. Children, you all have to make one scrapbook for all the subject. If you have this type of scrapbook at your home, you can use this type of scrapbook. Okay, children? Otherwise, if you don't have, please don't go outside. What you will do then? You will use the old wedding cards. We all are having the wedding cards at our home. Children, use this type of wedding cards and convert them into the scrapbook. Now, what you will do? You will take the wedding card and paste the colorful papers, this type of colorful papers in the card. After pasting the colorful paper, you will cover the card. Okay? Please don't forget to cover this. It should look like a scrapbook. Okay? Now you will have your own scrapbook, homemade scrapbook. Okay? So if you have this type of scrapbook, you will use this type of scrapbook. Otherwise, you will make your own scrapbook. Okay? Now, as I told you that use only one scrapbook for all the subject. Now, you will ask me how to do the project work of all subject in one scrapbook. So, children, in the first page of the scrapbook, you will write the name, your name, then you will write the class, then section and the name of our school. Okay? After completing the first page, you will turn the page and you will write the name of the subject. For example, science. Okay? You will write science here and you will start doing your science project work. Okay? After completing the science project work, you will write the name of the next subject. For example, maths. You will write the name of the subject in bold letters and in a attractive way. Okay? Use colors, use colorful papers, whatever you have. Use that. Okay? And write the name of the subject. For an example, maths. Now I am giving you an example. Like this you can write maths. You can write like this or you can use your creativity. Okay? After writing the name of our subject maths, you will do the maths project work. After completing the maths project work, you can do the next subject. Children, there is not a sequence. You can do any subject first. Okay? According to your choice. Now come to the maths project work. Now in the maths project work, in the first page of maths project work, you will first paste a picture of an Indian mathematician. Okay, you have to draw the picture. You will not take any type of printout. You will draw and then you will paste the picture. After pasting the picture, you will write some lines on his or her life. Okay, this was your first page. Now in the next, you will write the name of the topic above in the page, rational number, and then you will start explaining these terms. You will explain all the terms: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, number line and representing rational number on number line. Now I am giving you an example. You will write natural number and will explain natural number and give at least 2 examples of natural number. Okay? After explaining the next natural number, explain the next number. For example, whole number. Children, you can do that. You can explain only one type of number in one page, or if you have space, you can explain 2 numbers in one page. Okay? It is your choice. Please do all the work in neat and clean handwriting. Use colorful papers, use colorful pens, use sketch, marker, anything which you have at your home. Make your scrapbook attractive. Okay? After completing the maths project work, you will cover your scrapbook also and make it attractive from the outside also. I hope you all are clear with your maths project work and you will complete your maths project work. Children, that's all for today. Please help your parents, obey your parents, and take care of yourself, take care of your parents, of your younger brother and sister. Enjoy your vacations. Thank you. Sign out.